Hey guys, so today's video, real short, real simple, real straight to the point. This is something you never want to see happen on your machine. Just, you don't want to see it. And sorry for the background noise. I'm not using my normal microphones to make this little video, but as you can see, catastrophe has struck this poor printer. The FEP broke mid-print, and you can see a lot of that print is on that sheet. Well, if it's this bad, kiss that printer goodbye. But this is why I preach screen protectors. Look at that. All that. We're fine. A little bit of a wipe down. We're ready. So, as you guys have seen, screen protectors, yeah, they're a little bit of a cost, but honestly, they're worth every penny that you pay for them. Because honestly, that would, you know, these machines, this is a Sonic Mega AKS. These machines aren't cheap. That would have been a machine ending KO right there. But that screen protector, yeah, that was probably 15 bucks, but you know what? I'd rather spend 15 than 1600 to replace this machine. So again, even on the Saturn S's up here, they've all got screen protectors. All three of my 8KSs have screen protectors, and all those down there, except for the eMake 3D, they've all got screen protectors. Spend the money, guys. Don't cheap out. Protect your printers. Keep your stuff going, so you don't have something like that destroy this. Because that LCD to replace for this machine, I can tell you, is $365, and it ain't cheap, and it takes a while to get here. So take the time, put the screen protectors on your machine. They're worth every penny you will spend. Thanks, guys. Some links down below to the ones that I use. Hope you guys enjoy. They're all out on Amazon. But again, protect your machines. It's a small thing, but it's worth it. So hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, especially to all you new printers. Guys, if you just bought a new printer, protect your investment. A screen protector is worth every penny you can spend. Thank you, guys. Catch you in the next video.